got a 2017 Hyundai Sonata, and what we're doing is we're changing out the trunk latch. This is a known problem with these Hyundais, and we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we got our new part right here. First thing first is we're gonna go ahead and take off these little clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that's not one. I believe it's only 9 of them. We're gonna take off those, and then we're gonna need a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and take those out, and we'll be right back. You just use a flathead screwdriver and just put it right up under here. Let me show you one moment. All right, we just gotta take a flathead screwdriver, and all you do is just put it right here in between it, pull that top one out, just take that right on out. You can do that with all of them. And I'm gonna get that off. I only got one hand, so I'll be right back. All right, next thing is we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna take off this latch right here. We're gonna put a flathead screwdriver right up under here. Pull that out, open that, and you have 2 8mm bolts on there, 8 or 10. Let me check that out. I believe it's 8mm. We're gonna take those off. Alrighty, and those were 8mm. I got both of those bolts up out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this on down. Set that to the side. Alrighty, and here's your latch right here. So we gotta take off this here. Just pull that down, and then pull that out to the side. Really simple. Just pull it out right out to the side. Take off this clip here. Push this button in. Push that button in and pull down. Very simple. And we're gonna take this off of there. See if I have some needle nose for that. Needle nose right up in here. Pull this down. Pry that right off. And next, what we're gonna do is we got 2 10mm bolts, one right there and one right there. And we're gonna take those up out of there, and I'll be right back. We got that old one up out of there. There's our old one. This is our new one. Just do the same process of putting it back just like you took it off. I'll show you also how to get the wire back in there. The latch right here. And just give me a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and put the door latch, the trunk latch back up here, and bolt it down with the 10mm bolts, and then I'll show you how to put that wire in back there. One moment. Going up there. See, the new one comes with this little safety clip. The other one didn't have it. So we're gonna take this cable cord right here, and we just turn that up in here, and you just put it straight into the back hole here, and make sure that the piece is lined up, and it goes right, and that cable is right between the 2 pieces of metal. Just put this in that little bracket right there. And that's pretty much it. You just take this here, pull that out. Take this little piece, put them together, and push it right up in there. And put your electrical connector back on. And that's how you have it. That's what you have it. That's how you install a trunk latch to a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Simple job. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.